Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Sublime Text in your Windows 11. So first of all we have to go on Google and search Sublime Text 4. Okay, so you can see there is a link download. Okay, so you have to click on this download. When you click on this download, the next page you can see that there is different version. Mac OS link is also available, Windows link is also available, and Linux link is also available. But today we are going to see how to install Sublime Text 4 in Windows. So I will click on Windows. Okay, so when you click on this link, download will start. Okay, so now this is in progress. So now you can see the download is finished. So when you click on this so when you click on that exe file, so you will get this window, user account control, and you can see there is a message, do you want to allow this app for an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? So now I will click on yes. So when you click on yes, the installation process is starting. So there is an option, you can choose whatever path you want, whatever location you want to install Sublime Text. So and you can also continue with this path. Okay, so just click on next. Okay, if you want to add Explorer context menu, then you can click on add, otherwise you can click next. Okay, and then install. So you can see the installation process is finished. So now you can see the Sublime is installed in your system. So now you have to go to in start. Okay, so when you go to start, you can see in recommended also Sublime Text recently added, you can see. Otherwise you can also search also Sublime, in search Sublime. So you can see there is Sublime Text. So you can click on this open. So now Sublime Text will open. Okay, so now you can see the Sublime Text is open. Okay, okay, so if you want to add any folder, so you can just go to file or click on open folder. When you click on this open folder, so you can see your file explorer is open. So if you want to create a folder, so you can create a folder also. So I am just going to desktop and I am creating a folder. Okay, so you have to click on new folder, and suppose I am giving name demo. Okay, so now folder is created and you have to select this and select folder option. So you can see your demo folder is open in Sublime Text. So on right click this demo, you can create a new file. So when you clicked on that, the new file is here. So you can write something here, suppose hi or something, and just go to file menu, click on save, or you can press also Ctrl S. When you click on Ctrl S, then the file name you have to put, suppose we are just putting the name test.php. okay, so now you can see test.php is file is created. Okay, so and now you can work in Sublime Text. So that's all for today. I think you have really enjoyed this video. So bye bye, see you in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, see you in next video.